Welcome to the unheard of XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. Well, to do that, we should get the application from the Play Store, and now here on the search we'll enter the green Apple keyboard, and now we should get this application. So tap here to install and wait a little bit, a couple of seconds while this application downloading and installing on your device. And after that, just click here on the right down corner to open the app. Click here enabling settings, and near the green Apple keyboard, tap once on the switcher, tap to OK, again OK. Now just go back into the app and here click to the switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the in green Apple keyboard. After that, tap to OK. Now you can see here that the process is finished, and now we can go somewhere, for example here into the app search, and here we can see the new look of our device keyboard, and as you can see that keyboard is also close to the iPhone one as all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.